Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sahidta Nur Sabilla and my serial number is A1B2220555. And in this video, I will give you a summary of chapter 6 about sentence semantics to participants. And then after I read the ebook, I found that this chapter explores how participants' entities in a sentence are classified and assigned roles based on their involvement in an event. It focuses on thematic roles, grammatical relation, and causation in sentence semantics. And then I read that classifying participants in a sentence are assigned specific thematic roles based on their function in an event. These roles help linguistics analyze how sentences convey meaning beyond just word definition. And then thematic roles. So thematic roles, also called theta roles, describe how different participants interact with the verb in a sentence. Some of most common roles include agent, patient, them, experience, instrument, goal, source, and recipient. And then thematic roles and grammatical relations. So subjects, thematic roles and grammatical relation have subject and objects. So subject and objects, thematic roles are linked to grammatical relation. For example, the agent is often the subject and the patient is the object. And then sentence structures. So sentence structures means that verbs impose constraints on which roles can be assigned to participant. And then role conflicts. So some sentences may create ambiguity in role assignment, leading to different interpretation. And then verbs and thematic grids. So each verb has a thematic role grid that specifies the role of its arguments. And then some verbs require an agent and patient or kick, while others may need a them and go or move. And then problem with thematic roles. So some entities can have multiple roles. For example, like the wind knocked down the tree. Is the wind an agent on a force? And then some verbs allow different thematic role structure in different contexts. And then caution in sentence semantics. So caution plays a key role in how participants are assigned roles. And then sentence can explicitly mark caution, like John broke the window, or it can be implied, like the window broke. And then voice and participant role. So active voice, for example, like she ate the cake, versus passive voice, the cake was eaten. And then middle voice, used in some language to show real action, self-actions, or internal change. And then cross-linguistic variation, in how languages use voice to mark participant roles. And then classifiers and noun classes. So